In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to join your Asana team. We'll start by signing in to Asana. Open your browser, go to the Asana login page, and choose Continue with Google. This is the quickest way to get in if your account is linked to Google. When the Google account chooser appears, select the account you use for Asana and complete the sign-in. If your organization has extra security, just follow the on-screen prompts until you're in. Once you're logged in, look to the left side navigation and open the Projects section. This is where all of your work lives. Find and click the specific project you want your teammate to join. Inviting someone from here is usually best because it immediately gives them context and access to the tasks they need. At the top right of the project, click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can see and work on the project. In the invite field, type the email address of the person you want to add. You can add more than one person, but make sure each address is spelled correctly. Mistyped emails are the most common reason invites go missing. On the right side of the invite panel, choose the appropriate access level. If the person will actively manage tasks, assign work, and edit details, select an editing level. If you just want them to review progress, leave feedback, or keep an eye on timelines, a comment-only level is usually sufficient. Matching access to someone's role keeps your project organized and prevents accidental changes. When everything looks good, click Invite. Asana will send an email to the person with a link to join the project. If they share your company domain, they'll typically be added to your team automatically. If they use a different domain, they'll join as a guest, which is perfect for clients or partners who only need limited access. A few quick tips to wrap up. Let the person know to watch for the invite email. If they don't see it, have them check spam or log into Asana and look for a prompt or a notification in their inbox. If you ever need to adjust permissions or remove access, come back to the Share button in the project and update their level from the same panel. And if you're inviting multiple people, it can be helpful to confirm they're in the right workspace or team first so everything lands in the correct place. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. By following these steps, you'll get the right people into the right project with the right level of access, so your team can collaborate smoothly from the start.